Here we have a 2016 Toyota Sienna XLE VMI Northstar conversion wheelchair van. It's got about 24,000 miles on it, just under. Everything works like a charm. We're going to watch the ramp come out right now. We're going to push the button and here it comes. How about that? And then the whole van kneels down. So it's literally just a few inches off the ground. That's pretty slick. And when we get in here, there's plenty of room to move around 360 degrees. You got leather seats, front and back. Now we can take these seats out. So if you're a driver, you can take the driver's seat out, pull right up to the steering wheel. If you're a passenger, you can take that passenger seat out, pull right up into the passenger side. You got all the features. Stereo, navigation, all the power, all that good stuff. Okay, and we will go around here and watch it go back in. Let's see how that whole car raises up. Everything closes up just fine. No problems at all. Boy, that's slick. Okay. Then our hatch just opens up automatically. So if you got to put stuff in the back, there it goes. If you need more room, you can put the seats down. Plenty of room.
Close it there, or
you can either push the button on the vehicle, on the door, or with your remote. Now if we get over here,
that goes for the side doors too.
Yeah, and the side doors have the button too. So we get over here, we got automatic doors, and they open up. It's an incredible vehicle.
Your buttons behind the post.
Our buttons are back in here. There's the one for that one. And there's one on the other side too. So if I want to close that, I can hit that button. And there it goes. We got brand new Michelin tires on there.
Oh, Goodyear.
Goodyear tires. Brand new Goodyear tires. Very nice. Vehicle's in really good shape. No scratches, no dents, no crashes. Pretty slick. So I'll back up so you can get a nice view of this vehicle. It's a gorgeous day. I'll walk around it here. Wow. Beautiful.